Hi, today for review Samsung Galaxy M33 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to connections section. The first one you'll see the Wi-Fi switcher. Just to turn on the Wi-Fi, click once on the switcher, then click on the section and you'll see all the available networks. For example, let's use this one. Here we should enter the password to have now some mistakes. You should click to this icon to see the password. I'll enter it out of screen. Just after that, we should click to connect. Wait a second, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. Just by the same way, you can select more networks here, enter the passwords and connect to them, and after that we can switch between them. Just if you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, you should use this switcher also. Also, we have one more way how we can do that. Just first open notification panel shortcuts. To activate and turn out the Wi-Fi, you should click on this Wi-Fi icon, and if you wanna launch the Wi-Fi settings to select the networks, hold for a while this icon, and after that, just by the same way, select the network, enter the password and tap to connect. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.